Good afternoon. This is Danny Howell, Southeast Chevy Parts down in beautiful sunny Apopka, Florida. I get asked a lot of questions about early Chevys. If you've ever called in, there's a very good chance you and I may have spoken. And it's amazing to me, one of the questions that I get asked almost more than anything else is relative to the issue of chrome. Help me with chrome. Well, the problem is most people don't realize that not all chrome is actually chrome. I happen to be standing by this old 60 four-door sedan parts car, and I thought this would be an excellent place to show you and tell you the difference about what we mean by the use of the word chrome, because again, not all chrome is chrome. Actually, this Chevrolet has three pieces, three materials that are made into pieces to fit onto a Chevrolet, but everybody often calls them chrome, but it's not chrome. But let me give you the difference. This is actually a chrome bumper here. This piece is a stamped steel piece that has been buffed and polished, and then it has been nickel and copper, nickel, and then chrome plated. And so this is what we would really call chrome. It is real chrome that has been electrochemically attached to this piece of steel. But if we move up from this piece of bumper, you will see this right here, this grill. This grill is actually made of aluminum, but people often call it chrome, but it's actually not. This aluminum right now is kind of a dull look, but when you take a piece of aluminum like this and you remove the anodization on it, you have it picked and filed and show polished, you can then bright tip it or re-anodize it, and you can make that aluminum look just like a piece of chrome. And that's why a lot of people refer to that as chrome. The third thing that people often call chrome is the stainless steel moldings that appear on the car. On this one, you can see some pieces are missing, but this lower windshield molding and this upper windshield molding is nice and shiny. And if you were here, you could actually see this shines like chrome, but it's nothing to do with chrome. This piece of molding is actually made out of stainless steel. Often when people call me, they say, I want chrome for my car. And then I have to educate them. Do you want stainless for your car? Do you want aluminum for your car? Or do you want actual chrome plated pieces? The hobby is changing, and a lot of times you need to get pieces that have been restored. So I thought this brief education would help you make sure that you call things by the right name.